Hello everyone. Today I will be giving you a demo of our application Sehat Saathi. Let me just open it. I can access it from here or here as well. Let me open it from here. It will give a basic interface and I can select these three basic languages. We are working to add more. Let me select Hindi and let me select the role of a doctor so that I can give an overview. And let me speak the name of the doctor. It's a random name, Ram Kumar. And let me enter the mobile number. It will send me the OTP. I have to enter that as well. And once it's done, the doctor can access their entire dashboard along with consultations. So here we can see various parameters like 5 of the patients are in queue. The doctor has reviewed 12 patients and the total cases were 5. And in this week, the doctor has consulted 4 patients and the rating of this doctor is 4.6 and 1 patient is in follow-up condition. We can see the previous cases of the doctor and we can see recent cases and previous cases. And the doctor can start their video call from here and they can connect with the patient. They can end the call as well. And from here itself, once they connect and the interaction and understanding the problem is over, they can write the prescription from here itself. They can add multiple medicines according to the requirement and they can enter the general instruction and the prescription can be saved. So let me just enter the name of one medicine, maybe metformin, and the doctor has to give the duration or how to take the medicine. So let me just enter it as after dinner and the duration is for 1 month. And the doctor can give a general instruction. Let me just give a general instruction like reduce sweets, and the doctor can save the prescription and that would be sent to the patient. Here, one of the major features of our application for doctor is drawing board. So here, the doctor can actually explain how to apply an ointment or other things related to skin infections and allergies by drawing a image. So let's just imagine that a person has burned their hand. So the doctor is drawing the entire hand and they just want to show how to apply the ointment. So maybe if they have burned their thumb, they just want to show that apply your ointment here only. So that can be done and they can speak out as well and this would be saved and that would be sent along with the prescription. This is the doctor's dashboard. Everyone, let me show you our application Sehat Saathi from a patient's point of view. Let me select English for patient and I'm selecting patient as my role right now and I have to enter a name. Let me enter a name, a random name, and let me enter a random phone number and it would send me the OTP and I can verify and log in. And the first thing that comes up after login is the AI Health Assist. So it is a hybrid online offline based model wherein we can describe our symptoms or select some from the given. So let me just type it first. I feel very hot and weak and I am coughing a lot. I can send that and it will give me some symptoms. It will give me a home remedy, or if I want, I can connect with the doctor. So it is showing me all the doctors available and the general medicine doctors. I can select either. I have to pay the fees first and then I can connect with the doctor. And after that, if we do not wish to connect with the doctor right now, it will analyze our symptoms and give us some simple home remedies along with some medicines that are being suggested. It also gave a disclaimer. But if we want, we can try home remedies first. And when I click on it, it will take me to the main home page. And the first feature here is photo diagnosis. So this is an offline based feature wherein the patient can upload the photo and the doctor can check what the problem is. The second feature is voice message. So this one is also an offline based feature. Here, the doctor or the patient, the doctor can hear the problem of the patient, and the patient has to record their problem, and that should be a maximum of 3 minutes, and they can upload it. We can see that the patient has uploaded a few, and they can retry upload it, and the doctor would be notified if the recording has been uploaded properly. This one is a family health feature. So we can add our entire family, all the medications and everything, and we can see the evening tablets and what all the tablets that the family has to take. And here we can see if it's emergency or the person is healthy or not, and all the notifications would be given to this phone itself. And we can add a family member, we can check the other details as well. Next is QR health card. This is an offline feature and one of the most important feature. So in an emergency, we can just click on this QR code, and once a person just scans this, the doctor or any person would understand the entire health history of this patient. And the next feature is health map. So the patient or a general person can understand what all diseases are prevalent in their area by seeing all the statistics from the nearby areas like Nabha and Rajpura, Kharar, Patiala, Mohali, and they can also play the voice alerts. They can filter on the basis of diseases as well. That would be highlighted as we can see here, and dengue, flu. And this is the real time data from ASHA workers, and they can understand which district has really high risk or low risk, so that they can take precautions accordingly. And the next feature is home remedies. It will give us instructions about all the home remedies that we can take for basic uh, allergies or other small problems that may not require very high level of in interaction with the doctor. We can just filter again here. Fever can be cold compress, skincare would be neem water, digestion is ginger tea, and we can also go for myth buster. This again is one of the major myth busters that we can see. So it will actually help us understand all the previous or age old rituals and suggestions that are being processed but are actually wrong. We can check this as well. So this would actually cause more harm than good. So this is local remedies and mythbuster. Next we can go for home remedies as well. So these are all the home remedies that are given, and let's just go to remedy videos. So rather, if we want to listen or see the videos, we can click on them, we can download as well. Again, here we can filter everything, and the next one is reschedule. So we can reschedule a current doctor, or if we have scheduled something, that can be rescheduled immediately. So we can see that this doctor is not available on this day, so we can change that as well. And we can also go to maps and navigation, so we can find a nearby hospitals and medical shops, clinics, and other things. We can see the distance from our place. If we want to go by bike or walk, we can see the distance and how much time will it take. And we can see this Nabha Civil Hospital is just zero point 0.8 kilometers from the location and the clinic, and we can just call 108 if it's an emergency. And an emergency feature is also there that I'll be showing next. And then medication reminder. So it is showing me the entire statistics of my medicines that has been done through this app. So I can see that I have taken 66 medicines on time, and I have missed 3, and there are no upcoming medicines. So I can see that metformin has been taken, and this is the next dose, amlodipine and all. And I can even select vibration if I want vibration as well. And I can delete it if I want, and it is giving me all the uh, advanced features like why am I taking this medicine as well. And I can add reminders here. The next one is to consult a doctor. I can just type my symptoms or voice input as previously shown, and it can just take us there. And the last one is find medicines. So after a doctor has suggested us some medicines, we can see if the specified medicine is available in our nearby hospitals or not. So the doctor has prescribed paracetamol and cetirizine to the patient. So the patient can either check with the nearby medicine stores if it's available or not. They can call if they want, and they can get the directions as well. This, let me explain you how emergency works. That can be accessed immediately after selecting the language or from here as well. Making on emergency, and I can just tell the AI that my cousin just fainted, and I can send that, and it will give me some immediate things and more details about the symptoms and all. If I want, I can connect to the nearest hospital, and I can also, these doctors have been notified immediately, and the hospitals, nearby hospitals, are also immediately notified that there is an emergency at a certain location, so that assistance can be sent immediately within a click. I can give a voice update if I want, and I can also send an SMS.